As tens of thousands of Filipinos went out to join the late President Aquino's family as she was being laid to rest, many dropped by the Aquino's house on Times Street to pay their last respects. JP Soriano, on cue.
People flocked to the late President Cory Aquino's house here on Times Street in Quezon City, offering flowers, lighting candles, reciting prayers, all to honor the President who brought back democracy to our country. Never mind that the house was empty most of the afternoon. People just kept on arriving at Times Street. The rain failed to drive them away. Some of them seen here snapping pictures of the famous home of the world icon of democracy. Marietta went straight to Times Street today to offer prayers for the late President. She brought with her this letter written by Mrs. Aquino herself. It's the late President's response to Marietta's daughter, when the girl wrote Cory a letter as a school assignment back in 1987. Marietta says this letter inspires her and her children to become better Filipinos by helping each other out.
In my whole life, this is only my souvenir na yung daughter ko, na-maintain namin yung good sample na nakita niya kay Madam Cory.
Para sa inyo, yaman na to, no?
Yes.
Trina, who's 7 months pregnant, wanted to go to the Manila Memorial Park to join others in witnessing Mrs. Aquino's being laid to rest. But because of her delicate condition, she went here instead and offered Cory prayers. And as a special tribute to Cory's legacy,
Ninoy Aquino. Just anilan kasi sa baby boy.
Many stayed at home, glued to their TV screens as the late President was being brought and laid in her final resting place. Bernardo couldn't just leave his granddaughter at home to go to Manila Memorial Park. He believes Cory is now with her eternal love, Ninoy, in heaven.
Si Ninoy, nakakasama na ngayon. Maligaya na siya ngayon. At maano na rin siya, natahimik na rin.
And even if Cory has gone to eternal beyond, her house here in Times Street will remain standing to symbolize the housewife who had not only become president, but had also become the mother of the Filipino nation. JP Soriano, reporting on cue.